Let's learn how to make a typewriter effect in Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips. Start by using the Type tool to create your text on the preview screen. After typing, open the Essential Graphics panel to adjust the text size and center it using the Align buttons. Next, search for the crop effect in the Effects panel and drag it to your text layer. In Effect Controls, enable keyframes for the right property by clicking the Toggle Animation button. Set the initial value to 100, then move a few seconds forward and set it to 0. Adjust the spacing of the keyframes to control the animation speed. For added impact, consider syncing a typewriter sound effect with the animation. That's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next.